Alright, Edward Virgil here. I'm going to do the pronation protocol. The three indicators for this are a grade 4 or less muscle testing, medial bowing of the Achilles, and a positive navicular drop test. And so, first I'll do a muscle test. Bring the legs slightly lower than the table. Right, resist. Alright, grade 4 or less, then I'll adjust. So navicular. Cuboid. And then from cuboid, I'll go cuneiforms. And from cuneiforms, I'll go metatarsals. To talus. And then from talus, I'll go calcaneus to phalanges. And then I'll retest. Oh, and then fib head. Making sure my knuckles aren't showing on the outside, behind the fib head. And then I'll retest. And stronger. Okay. Now for supination, it's going to be the three indicators, grade 4 or less muscle testing also. It'll be a lateral bowing of the Achilles and a negative navicular drop test. So we'll test the muscle again. Alright, and the cuneiforms and navicular will be together on this one. So for this one, and for this one, we'll do kimbo. And then from that, you'll do cuneiforms. Oh wait, no, cuneiforms and navicular are together, cuboid. To metatarsals, opposite direction this time. And then talus, we'll put the lateral hand on the outside first. And then from that, we will do the calcaneus. And then fib head. Nice. And then we'll do testing again.
Assess the knee and state 3 possible listings.
Alright. The 3 listings for the knee is if it moves lateral, it's going to be lateral condyle. If it moves medial, it'll be the medial condyle going posterior. And if both are moving, then it's the medial and lateral are both going to be posterior. So bring the arm down to the 90. And it moves lateral. Alright, can I get you to flip over?
You're doing prone knee flexion technique.
Prone knee flexion technique. You want lateral. So, is that your?
Yeah, I don't know what that was.
No gross or CPP class.
Oh.
Okay. So I'll bring it past 90. Okay. And then, can I get you to flip back over? Alright, and better. That's awesome.
Perform the muscle test for an anterior femur and make the correction with the posterior glide type of adjustment.
Alright. For this one, we'll test the rectus femoris. So if I could get you to lift your leg up. Alright. And then push down. Okay. Grade 4 or less. I do 90 degree. Make a circle. Where it's sticking. Leg up.
Retest. Make an appropriate statement.
Alright, retest 45. And it's strong again.
State the direction that a talus normally subluxates, then demonstrate one alternative talus adjustment.
Alright, can I get you to flip around? And talus normally subluxates lateral and anterior. So we'll want to adjust it. And adjust. Alright, flip back over again.
State or demonstrate the adjustment for the big toe.
Alright, adjustment for the big toe. Wrap around. Okay. And then adjust.
And for a bunion?
For a bunion, well, it's more like a sliding. You get on the side and do it 3 times.
Assess the patella and find a plausible subluxation and its associated findings.
Right, to assess the patella, we'll want to go medial, lateral, superior, inferior, and then all the oblique angles from that. And the most common is superior lateral. So if it's superior lateral, check that. It's inferior, adjust, and then retest. You feel it? Alright, feels good.
Okay. Show the muscle test for a possible rotational problem of the hip.
Alright, for rotational problem, we're going to want to test the tensor fascial lata. Alright, so we'll have internal rotation, 45, 45. Alright, resist. Resist again. Push down. Okay. So now we'll test to see if it's external rotation or internal rotation. Right? Yeah. Okay. Oh, but yeah. So this is for external rotation, and in this you're finding an internal subluxation or internal rotational subluxation. So. And then for the external or internal rotation, we're finding an internal rotational subluxation. And adjust. And then
Retest the
retest.
muscle.
Okay. Turn your foot in a little bit. 45, 45. Alright, resist. And strong.
Demonstrate the elements of a wrist extension technique on an empty table, stating the appropriate amount of pressure for each hand on the knee,